Running your background check or something.
Yeah. Re-bringing your vital documents. I'm going to go ahead and stop and take this real quick.
Do what?
Go ahead and take a pee real quick.
Oh, yeah?
It's the trouble with taking coffee. Actually doing pretty good with my anxiety though.
Yeah.
I started sweating really bad. Ended up using the bathroom before we left.
Not that big of a deal. I can just stop whenever.
Yep, exactly. That's all. I don't really have too many issues with this.
What, going to Charleston?
Yeah.
And we pretty much know where all the bathrooms are too.
Yeah. And there's always the side of the road. Open up a couple doors and away you go.
Yep. Men can do that. I'm kind of jealous. What the hell you got us listening to?
I don't know.
Some Whitney?
They've redone this one.
It's super nice. Try fast. It's like a little food truck. Steel pans brewing. Isn't that like hipster's dream to have their own brewery? The coffee music tonight. Charleston. I always stop by Piggly Wiggly.
No longer Piggly.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I wonder what it is now, considering that Bilo has been closing a lot of its places. Might still be a Bilo.
We'll see when we get down here.
Always get screwed up with these. One of these lanes only goes right.
Does not look like anything.
Really? Maybe they closed it completely. Uh-oh.
Here come the rain.
Yep. Getting in town just in the nick of time, I guess.
My parents stayed somewhere through here.
Yeah.
My house on Maiden.
Looks like they got rid of the stupid traffic lights that were off to the side and put up some regular fucking ones.
Charleston Visitor Center. Dang, they get wet.
Yeah, they got a good memory. Staying left of the lane. I think they stayed.
Is it this one?
No, this is no, they stayed up further.
The key is something or other.
Yeah, this is
Here's my Miami jaywalking. Everybody's stuck out.
we got an umbrella here.
You do?
Black one. Another one of those liquor trucks?
Yeah. Liquor pops. Maybe. The Bank of South Carolina. Maybe it's not liquor. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it
Booze
is.
pops. Nice. King Charles Inn.
That's where
your
they stay.
parents stay. There's a little place called Fig.
It's messaging me.
Oh no. Look at this big damn stretch limo.
Wow.
It's like a damn bus. Oh, Mom got caught in the rain. Check out Mom over there.
A titty contest?
I think it's called a wet t-shirt contest.
I think a wet titty contest works all right. If you guys couldn't tell, it is absolutely pouring, and the storm's just boom. As soon as we turned the corner onto Market Street, it started raining really, really bad. A lot of thunder and lightning too. So, yeah. Anyways, just commenting about all the people that are still wandering around in this hella storm.
Yeah, it's just rain.
It's just rain.
You'll be alright.
Chocolate rain.
What does that mean?
this place is called the Market. It's really similar to New Orleans and the French Market, but only this is where slaves kind of held like a farmer's market. They did not sell slaves at this market. That's contrary to popular belief, but they absolutely did not. So, anyways, we're almost here.
Enslaved people.
Enslaved people sold vegetables, meat, and cows, and things of that nature.
Correct.
Correct.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Ooh, Krabby Jack's General Store.
God, they're still there.
Yes.
How about the Five and Dime? Did they close that? I didn't even see.
I wasn't looking. The Sunglass Hut's still there. The Tarvis Store's still there. Yeah, so a lot of times they'll have the musician right here on this corner. Sometimes he'll be right here. Usually at night over there because the market is closed. Peace, Love, and Frogs shirt store is still there. Spice and Tea Exchange. Good Guy Vapes is in there now over Charleston.
Yeah. So do you want me to have them leave the truck out so that we can go back out and get the groceries?
Do you want to?
I guess we could.
Yeah.
God, the House of Jerky is still there? How the fuck did that thing manage to survive?